We're announcing an awesome birth here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. A little girl, Maasai Giraffe, was born to Mom Mara a couple days ago. This is her second calf. One of the really cool things about this calf is that she's a third generation Maasai that's currently here at Disney. The giraffe here at Disney are ambassadors for their cousins in the wild. Giraffe are undergoing a silent extinction, and some subspecies are considered critically endangered. When people come to Disney, they get to see these little baby giraffe, they get excited and they want to learn about them. These guys are really important for getting people excited about conservation. Our role in the giraffe training team is to help this little girl succeed in her life. One of the biggest things for us is training for medical procedures, and a lot of that stuff happens in something we call our training chute. All sorts of different training happens here, but the first step is to just walk through it. We also have a scale in this area so we can get weights on her. Today she walked over the scale. She saw me on the training platform. She's doing great. Between Disney's Animal Kingdom and Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, this little baby girl marks the 35th giraffe birth. She also is now the 12th member of our herd here on Kilimanjaro Safaris. We're all super excited here. We take care of giraffe for a living. We've got a lot of giraffe, but each one is different, and I'm super excited to see her personality grow. Her mom's a really confident giraffe. Her grandma's a super confident giraffe. This little girl has a whole world ahead of her, and we're looking forward to being there with her.
Our little girl that was born 2 days ago at her neonate exam was weighed in at 156 pounds and stands a little over 6 feet tall. And then her personality, the first time I came in and I saw her, she was moving around well through the stall and only had been, walking for just a few hours, nursing well. At her neonate exam, she was definitely very feisty and strong. Even with us putting her out in the yard, they had access into the barn and she came in on her own. So I'd say she's pretty brave and an independent animal. We have 11 giraffe Maasai here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Basically, the AZA, or Association for Zoos and Aquarium, has SSP, which is Species Survival Plan. It's a program that helps us to maintain the best genetic diversity. So we will let them know about our birth, and then they will make recommendations for whether that animal is to stay here or recommended to breed with another animal. My favorite thing about working here at Disney's Animal Kingdom is, of course, the animals. This view right behind me, you're having a tough day, all you have to do is get in a truck, come out here on the savannah. I've been in this field for 28 years, and I learn something new every single day.
Good morning, I'm Dr. Scott from the Disney's Animal Science and Environment team, and this morning we're announcing the birth of our latest giraffe. Giraffe and other animals here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are usually bred under the auspices of species survival plans. These are plans in conjunction with the Association of Zoos and Aquariums, AZA, where breedings are controlled from both a genetic perspective and a health perspective. It makes sure that we have the healthiest populations of animals possible at zoos and aquariums. And this week is another example of the success of those programs with the birth of our newest baby giraffe. So Disney's Animal Kingdom is a special park. We have a special mission to really share with our guests the magic of nature. Every cast member at Disney's Animal Kingdom, every animal caretaker, every Kilimanjaro safari driver, every merchandise cast member is dedicated to protecting the planet and to making the world a better place for people and animals. And that's what makes this park so very special. So this is an exciting week for us because not only do we have a new baby giraffe, but we also are sharing with the world the magic of Disney's Animal Kingdom, which launches on Disney+. This is an 8-episode docuseries, and giraffes are actually an important part of one of those episodes. And in this show, we get to share not only the on-stage magic of Disney's Animal Kingdom, but also what it takes behind the scenes to care for these amazing animals in this amazing park. So we couldn't be more excited to share the magic of Disney's Animal Kingdom this week on Disney+. We're always very proud of the Disney Conservation Fund and their efforts to conserve animals around the world. With giraffe, a species that is experiencing a silent extinction, less than 100,000 of these animals left in the wild, the efforts of the Disney Conservation Fund and other conservation organizations are critical to the survival of this species. we take great care of these animals here at the park, the Conservation Fund ensures that we take great care of them in the wild as well.